Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Google app keeps crashing, do not worry, this is easy to fix. First, check your phone storage. Head over to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have sufficient space because low space can cause apps to crash. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all the background apps. Also, close Google, wait for a few hours and then reopen Google again. Now restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Google and make sure that your app is updated. If it still crashes, clear the cache and data from the app settings on Android. Also, check if your phone software is updated because old system versions can cause crashes. Now, your Google app should work again smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.